Hey guys, as you may have seen, we did release our website, which means all ordering will now be done through our website, shescraftygirl.com, instead of posting pictures and ordering on Facebook. So you will still get an invite through Facebook, and what you want to do when you get that invite is make sure you mark yourself as going. So if you marked yourself as going, the best way to find that event again is to go through your personal Facebook page. So click here to get onto your own page. Then you want to go to More and click Events. And once you do that, it'll show all your upcoming events. So I'm going to show you how to get to our website through an event of March Super Saturday. So you can see I've marked myself as going, and if you ever want to invite someone, you can do it through this little link right here. So once you're in your event and you've marked yourself as going, the first option is you must pre-order your craft kits through this link. Now this link is going to be a blog page specifically for this event on our website. Once you click this link, you'll now be on our website. You'll have to excuse the delay because we are recording. There's a little bit of a delay. So once you're on our website, you're going to see Home Craft Parties and Signs by Lily. Home Craft Parties is where you're going to want to place your orders through. Signs by Lily is a new option that we're offering. So every month we release new craft kits, and not only will you be able to order them for home craft parties, but you'll now be able to order them as completed signs anytime. So we will revisit Signs by Lily in another video. So home craft parties, if you scroll through the blog, you're going to find where the party's being held, the time, the date, and most importantly, you want to pay attention to the order due date because orders must be in by this due date. A lot of people at first don't understand why we have a due date, but the problem with that is that we custom cut and we design every single order. So we need to have a closing date so that we have time to prepare the kits before the party. So you just want to make sure that you get your orders in before that due date. So the first option I'm going to talk about is how to order kits. Now when I talk about kits, I'm talking about those pre-designed kits that we release every month. So if you want to order one of those pre-designed kits, you want to click this link right here. This link will take you to Shop All Kits. So I'm going to go ahead and click it from up here. And once you click that, you'll be in all of our collections that we offer. I'm going to show you how to order an Easter kit since the next upcoming event or holiday is Easter. So now that we're inside the Easter kits, you'll see all of the pre-designed kits that we're offering. So every month this will grow and we'll have new kits available. So one of our newer signs is the Old Hair Trading Company, and this sign is customizable with your family last name and established date. So I'm going to show you how to order this kit. Once you click on it and you're in here, you're going to see the last name is customizable and the established date is customizable. So the first choice is your vinyl color choice. Now this sign is shown done as a stencil, and what stencil means is basically you're going to paint your background and then you're going to wait for it to dry, and then you put your stencil on and you'll be able to paint your words. You'll be able to paint your words different colors if you want, or even add glitter if you want to maybe glitter the bunnies. That'd be really cute. So if you want to do that, you would order it as a stencil. The next option is reverse vinyl, and the way reverse vinyl works, it still gives you that hand-painted look, but it's a little bit easier than stencil because what you do is you paint your board the color you want your words first. Once it dries, you put your reverse vinyl on and paint completely over your words with your background color, and then once that dries, you remove your words, leaving your hand-painted look. So if you want to do one of those, you would click one of those, or you can choose a color. And when you choose a vinyl color, that means that the whole sign will be one color for your words and images. I'm going to go with stencil. Then you're going to want to put in your custom name, your established year, and then the next option is, what do you want to place this order for? Are you placing this order for pickup, or are you attending one of these parties? And I'm attending Super Saturday. The next option is your size, and this kit only comes in one size, which is 18 by 24 Pine Pallet Style. PPS stands for Pine Pallet Style. And then if you want more than one, you can select more than one, but I'm going to go with one, and I'm just going to add it to cart. So once you add it to cart, you're going to see in your cart that the old hair trading kit is there with the stencil material upgrade $5. So if you want, you can check out by clicking I agree to terms, and if you want to read those terms, just click on terms and conditions and it'll pop up. So you can check out by agreeing to these terms and then press checkout, or you can go to PayPal. Or you can continue shopping if you want to add more to your cart. Once you continue shopping, it's going to take you back to where you were shopping before, which was in the Easter kits. So that is how you order a pre-designed kit. In the next video, we are going to talk about how to order a custom kit.